Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge for Professionals. I'm Mohsin Hassan. In today's video, we will learn about data validation, uh, how to apply data validation in Excel and how to use it. I will explain this step by step so that you can easily understand and apply it in your work or studies as well. So let's get started. So I just move on the screen on Excel sheet. I have already opened and prepared data as well. So I just prepared COA category reporting. So these are okay. Uh, we'll start from the scratch. I just mentioned this here and some character apply on it, some values put on it. So the scenario is I want these value or these CEO name appeared on this column, C column. So with the help of data validation. So I just first for the beginning or no, uh, the first step for data validation is you have to select the data. You have to select you can see I'm just selecting the data from beginning to end. So I'm selecting the data from row number 3 to 24. So I'm just selecting the data. The name of all column appeared like COAN. So how can uh, this name appeared or how uh, this appeared? I will show you. You just select here all the data which you want to appear in list under the concern uh, field as well. So I'm just here type CFN. So you can see the row number 3 to 27 I'm selecting, and now I just one by one I selected just appeared row number and column name. Column name F, row 3, F4, F5. So but once I select from 3 to 27, the name is appeared CFM. So that's really simple to apply data validation. I just provide the detail. So first of all, you have to create a unique name for whole data, where your concerned data available. You have to select all the column or all the data and and provide the name or designated the name uh, concern name, any name you can assign your data set. So I assign or I provide the name CFN. Under this, I provide COAN. You can see COAN. So now the uh, the one spreadsheet available the data COA name. I want the, the next step. I just want to appear these CON data appeared in sheet 2 detail column in listed form. So I'm just choose or select the anomalies here. So for this purpose, I need to go on data tab. Once I go data tab, you can see data validation. Data validation. Now you can click data validation to proceed it. So setting, allow, list. You need to appear the data in list form. You have to select or you have to choose from the list. So I'm just selecting list. Now I'm just putting the name COAN, and then I click on OK button. So you can see now I apply this validation on all concern entries. So now I'm just pick I can pick the anomalies here. So here's cash, here's prepaid insurance, here's account receivable, here's accumulative depreciation, here's supplies, here's accumulative depreciation. So you can choose anything from the concern list because data validation successfully applied on it on this sheet. So you can use it and you can pick and choose from the list. So the data validation, the whole scenario about data validation, you can see in the video. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Knowledge for Professionals for more professional learning content. Uh, okay, now the all scenario about data validation you can learn from here. Uh, I hope this tutorial helped you to understand about data validation. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge for Professionals. If you have any question or suggestions for future videos, please write them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.